Early morning urine. This is my own personal early morning urine right here in this bottle. Today I'm here to talk to you about the spiritual and medicinal benefits of early morning urine. Right now I know you're going to be asking me, why are you going to be using your urine? Why? But I tell you, this urine, your own early morning urine, is very medicinal. And it has a lot of spiritual benefits, which I'm going to tell you today. Okay, if this is your first time on this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I provide spiritual solutions for spiritual problems. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about early morning urine. Don't be surprised and don't be shocked. Using your early morning urine is actually an ancient practice. Our ancestors tried this. God in His infinite mercy has blessed us with everything that we need. But what do? We ignore everything and we want science to validate nature. All we do is just ignore nature and we follow things that don't help us, that will not make us healthy, that will not make us heal. Something like unhealthy food and medicine. But I tell you, if you make using your early morning urine an habit, your life is going to be better for it. No matter what your problem is, no matter what you're going through in life, you're having job problems, you're having marital problems, you're having relationship problems, your kids are having problems in school, they have memory problems, you're having problems generally, anything your problems might be, just get your early morning urine. Okay, whether you're having skin problems, anything, you're having pimples, you're having acne, just get your early morning urine. But make sure the urine is healthy. Make sure that urine is coming from an healthy person. If the person is sick, don't use their urine. Okay, use healthy person's urine. It may be your mother's urine, your husband's urine, your children's urine. Just put a little bit of that urine in your water and drink it. Put a little bit of that urine in your bath water and bath with it. And I promise you, your problems are going to be solved. Okay? I've used this and I tell you that this worked for me 100%. Okay? So you too, I pray that God is going to solve your own problems. This is going to work for you too. Okay? Just believe and have faith in this treatment and you're going to be better for it. Okay, there you have it. I will want you guys to try this and I want to read your testimony. Okay? If you love this video, just go ahead right now and give it a thumbs up. Like, comment and share my videos. Go to Spiritual Souls right now. Hit the subscribe button right now on the screen. Check your far right on the bottom and press the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Okay? Watch my other videos too. I've done a lot of videos for the benefit of you guys. So go ahead and watch them. Okay? And I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.